The 2025 Bihar Assembly election looks set to hand the NDA a massive victory. Current trends and vote counting indicate the NDA has secured over two-thirds majority in the state. The National Democratic Alliance is ahead in over 200 seats, well above the 122 required to form the government. The last time an alliance won over 200 seats in Bihar was back in 2010. It was the JDU and BJP leading the NDA back then as well. They won 206 seats in the 2010 election.
नरेंद्र मोदी, देखिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का स्वागत अभिनंदन हो रहा है। नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, 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 मोदी। राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को रिसीव किए हैं केंद्रीय कार्यालय में। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के किस प्रकार से भव्य मोदी, मोदी, Modi! Modi!
Well, a short while back, the Prime Minister of India visited the BJP headquarters in New Delhi. Addressing the victory speech, the Prime Minister vows that the years of Jango Raj will never return to Bihar.
बिहार के चुनाव में जब मैं जंगल राज की बात करता था, कट्टा सरकार की बात करता था, तो आरजेडी के लोग कभी विरोध नहीं करते थे, लेकिन कांग्रेस वालों को बहुत चुभता था और बहुत मोदी क्या बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा क्या बोल रहे हैं। लेकिन आज मैं फिर कहना चाहता हूं, मैं कहूंगा अब वापस नहीं आएगी कट्टा सरकार, अब वापस नहीं आएगी, अब वापस नहीं आएगी, अब वापस नहीं आएगी। साथियों, बिहार के लोगों ने विकसित बिहार के लिए मतदान किया है। बिहार के लोगों ने समृद्ध बिहार के लिए मतदान किया है।
It's also turning out to be a race between the NDA allies, the JDU and the BJP for the position of the single largest party. The BJP is leading in 59 seats and has won another 32 seats. Meanwhile, the JDU is leading in 61 seats and it has got 22 confirmed victories. The opposition alliance seems to be heading for an electoral disaster. Trends suggest that the RJD will lose its status as the single largest party in Bihar. It is leading in just 20 seats and has won 5 seats so far. This is despite the RJD having fought from 143 of Bihar's 243 assembly seats. Meanwhile, the Indian National Congress seems to have been decimated in this election. They are leading in just 5 seats and has won 1 seat so far. The Congress fielded candidates in 61 seats in this election, but looks set for a big loss. Earlier, we spoke to experts on what this victory would mean for the key players in Bihar.
The Mahagathbandhan, if you look at the RJD, my suspicion is that the RJD has retained its hold on the Muslim Yadav votes. And it is the Congress which has failed to weigh in with its promise of bringing in upper caste, non-Yadav, OBC and Dalit votes. I think that's where the problem lies. And why is the Mahagathbandhan failing? There are 2 issues here. One is that you can't squabble over seat sharing in a critical election like this. If you squabble, if you have what are called friendly fights, but are really very hostile fights, then you are asking the public to make a choice between fractious partners who are not going to be able to pull it together, and an NDA which is a very stable partnership.
Although you're seeing the growth in numbers in terms of JDU, But that has largely also been contributed by the election management or the election strategy of BJP in terms of getting the LJP on their side so that Nitish's votes were not cut by the LJP. Also, the anti-incumbency vote, LJP captured it, but some extent it was captured by Prashant Kishore. And BJP is extremely good at the booth level management. So all that has also contributed to Nitish's consolidation of Nitish's votes. That should not undermine the fact that Nitish's face value, Nitish's image. BJP had again no option to go to these elections without Nitish, because BJP doesn't have a face like that. It doesn't have a face, especially in the EBC segment where Nitish has a strong hold.